Divorce can be especially difficult for adolescents because the breakup of their parents basically turns their living situation upside down. Nancy Lowe is a psychiatrist and director of McGill University's Counseling and Mental Health Service, who has conducted research regarding how stressful life events, such as divorce, can affect the mental health of adolescents.
I would say that essentially the divorce or separation is like similar in ways to the way children would adapt to other changes in their life. So this period of 3 months is generally kind of a rule of thumb in terms of how long it takes somebody to adapt to a change. So for example, like moving to a new city, changing schools, having somebody in the family pass away. So that time period is pretty similar to what we found in our study in terms of somebody adapting. So that's nice to see in terms of that a divorce is similar to another significant life stress in their life.
Lowe says that in that study, children who were separated from their father did tend to experience higher levels of stress and depressive symptoms following the split, but that typically dissipated after 7 to 9 months.
So like for fathers, for example, who are no longer living there, maybe like the financial situation is important to the child. So on visits, with their child, that's important to kind of convey that there's a certain level of security, like if the father has a job or the mother has a job, just to always reassure the child that they're safe in that kind of situation, because children can pick up a lot of different kind of differences in their peers. They kind of feel that intuitively if they don't have as many material things or access to kind of events or fun activities that their peers would have. And so finances may be kind of below that, and it elevates their insecurity or their feeling of safety in that way.
For more articles on the effects divorce can have on children, visit DadsDivorce.com. That'll do it for another episode. I'm Sean Garrison, your host and editor of DadsDivorce.com. Thank you for watching.